Today we're going to be replacing this ugly old light fixture with this, using a cheap light from Amazon. Let's get into it. So we're not just going to be replacing it with a fixture I buy. I have an idea of what I want, and we're going to use a fixture I found on Amazon for like 60 bucks, and we're going to modify it to make it look a lot better and kind of match what I have in my head. I'm using a sconce style light that's mounted horizontally. I'm going to have a walnut piece behind. I want a cove cut in the walnut to help accentuate the light. So that's what you see me trying here with the test piece. So you just saw me remove the walnut from a thing called a planer sled. If you send a board that has a bow through a planer, it will smash it flat and then it'll pop right back the same when it comes out the other end. But if you put it through on a sled and you shim anywhere it's high, it'll then have a flat top. You can flip it upside down, run it through, and then both sides are perfectly parallel and flat. This right here is why everyone who enjoys building stuff needs a 3D printer. In about 30 minutes, this is a router bit guide for a flush trim bit to get a perfect radius in all my corners. Costs, I don't know, 30 cents probably in plastic, 30 minutes of time. so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some ideas of your own. See you on the next one.